At Luxe at 1300, we've gone above and beyond to enhance your lifestyle. Situated between two lakes and picturesque walking trails, our park-like property offers a fabulous swimming pool, a grilling area and outdoor pavilion, and a fenced dog park. Our magnificent clubhouse hosts a movie theater and a game room for fun social gatherings, a business center where you can catch up on work, and a state-of-the-art fitness center for your daily workout. We also offer garage and carport parking options. Our 1- and 2-bedroom cottage-style apartment homes feature a chef-style kitchen with black appliances, granite countertops, and custom espresso cabinetry. Comfortable bedrooms include ceiling fans and large closets, while bathrooms come with walk-in showers, and you can enjoy the views from your balcony. Our location in Waco offers the tranquility you deserve, yet all the shopping, dining, and entertainment you need just minutes away. Come visit Luxe at 1300 for a tour of our beautiful community.